See beyond the dark. Vision, patience, focus, silence, courage. The night doesn't limit you, it reveals you. Simple moments, real connections. Comfort that fits your life. Z designs everyday essentials, bringing comfort to every moment. Built for the long journey. Endurance, resilience, patience, adaptability, determination. The road doesn't define you, the journey makes you stronger.
You're so relaxed. That's my good kitty. I love these moments.
Quiet strength goes the distance. With resilience and patience, every step counts. Keep moving forward.
Comfort that frames every moment. Live beautifully, every day. Z creates everyday essentials that bring comfort, ease, and connection to every moment. Z Comfort Collection.
Trust your instincts. Independence, curiosity, agility, patience, adaptability. Choose your path. Move with purpose. Freedom in motion. Power in you. Z. Move. Live. Become. Rise above the limits. Vision, courage, freedom, focus, strength. The higher you aim, the farther you see. Own your stripes. Embrace your individuality, but stand united. Be vigilant, resilient, and adaptable. Stand out, stay together. Strength stands firm. Endurance, patience, steadiness, community. Stand firm, keep growing. Let your strength carry you forward. Grow through change. Embrace adaptability, transformation, patience, resilience, and awareness. Every leap begins with change. Take the leap, transform your life. Change your view. Embrace transformation, agility, and clarity. Adapt with precision. Master the moment. Move with purpose. Wait, watch, act. Patience, camouflage, focus, resilience, precision. Timing turns stillness into progress. Small wings, limitless spirit, agility, curiosity, courage, resourcefulness, optimism. Hold on, then rise higher. Let your colors lead. With brilliance, agility, and persistence, embrace adaptability and energy. Be bright. Stay in motion. Flow with change. Adaptability, playfulness, resilience, curiosity, balance. Rest when needed, move when ready. Every role matters. Balance, precision, adaptability, persistent contribution. Small actions keep the world blooming. Calm holds great power. Strength, confidence, protection, loyalty, resilience. Stay grounded. Protect what matters. Think beyond the obvious. Intelligence, adaptability, awareness, agility, resourcefulness. When the path disappears, create one, create one.